As a result of the full-scale invasion of Ukraine and ongoing attacks of energy infrastructure, the urgent introduction of alternative energy sources is a matter of national security and vital importance. The problem felt among internally displaced communities living in temporary housing where high electricity costs create a financial burden and contribute to an increase in the overall carbon footprint. The often solution is the use of a mobile, lightweight and compact wind turbine to meet the energy needs of individual customers, small business and communities. WITERoK is a wind turbine that does not have blades and as a result the main disadvantages of bladeless wind turbines. As a team of young, ambitious innovators, we have joined forces to develop an innovative solution and they're constantly working to improve concepts and prototypes, trying to find the best concept. Together, let's prove that even a small community can make a significant contribution to environmental protection and energy independence. WITERoK, energy that is always with you, simple, quiet, reliable.